I'm sounding really sarcastic. I actually really like it here.
Hello! If you're new here, my name's Alana, and I have to come up with a new intro because while I still like to make things, it'll be quite hard to do that for the foreseeable future because I live in Grenada now! Yes, about 3 weeks ago, my fiancé and I moved to Grenada so that I can attend vet school, and we thought it was about time we filmed an apartment tour. There are dogs barking outside, there's someone doing construction or something. It's gonna be a great time. Let's do it!
Whenever you're ready.
You should say rolling.
Rolling?
By the way, my fiancé is in charge of the camera, so any janky ass camera work, you can blame it on him. So, here we are at our front door. It is hardcore. Our key is like an old school, I don't know, something that you would see in a horror movie. And we only have one of them. It's great. This is Mitch's workspace. He is in animation, so, you know, he works wherever I bring him in the world. This is our living room. This is my giant whiteboard where I have to sit on the floor, or like this. Very nice. It doesn't attach to the wall. I'm sounding really sarcastic. I actually really like it here, but I can't help being sarcastic. Anyway, yeah, living room. Let's go into our bedroom that isn't really our bedroom. We have a 2-bedroom place. So this is the second one. It's pretty much the cat's bedroom. This is where the cats sleep. They've made a delightful mess of the sheets. Sorry for whoever comes to visit us. We'll do our best to remove it. This is our second fridge. You haven't seen the first fridge yet. Maybe I did this in the wrong order. But this is the second one because our regular fridge keeps breaking, so we have the second one. Hi. He's like, mother's talking and making a scene, so I have to go find her. This is our kitchen sink that's not in the kitchen. This room is strange. This is the second bathroom. I make Mitch use that one. And then this is the cat's bathroom. And that's pretty much it for this room. Let's go. This is the fan that we bought and had to walk down a highway for like half an hour to carry it home because we're a little stupid. Hold on. Is it a car or a plane?
Sounds like a plane.
It's a small island and planes take off over your head like 5 times a day. It's fine, it's cool. Anyway, this is normally running 24/7 and it's not today because we're filming. If you see me getting sweatier and sweatier, that's why. Okay, so the other half of the living room. This is, you know, the couch, the chairs, the coffee table. The cats like to sleep in this basket, so that's cute. This is my desk. It's smaller than Mitch's because I'm smaller than Mitch is. School stuff. Come on into the kitchen. There's a washing machine in my kitchen. How about you? You know, kitchen table, back door into I don't actually know what you would call this. Like an alley in the house?
It's an alley under the house. The second story of the house is above us, and back like way further. So it's just like a hallway. There's like a sink. There's like another bathroom in there.
What?
I don't know if it works.
Oh,
There's like storage and stuff.
I never noticed that before. We keep it open for airflow. And then, you know, kitchen. This is the regular fridge that is cold right now, I think. That's the sound of ice. So yes, it's cold. We got it fixed yesterday. Oh, I just felt sweat drip down.
Oh, I love that story, and everyone else will too.
I can cut it. And yeah, this is our kitchen, and it has most of the stuff that we need, like kettle, blender. We both don't drink coffee, so we're good with just the kettle. Microwave, toaster, and we have most of our like plates and pots and pans and everything good like that.
The place was pretty well furnished, honestly.
Yeah, we were lucky. Place was pretty cheap, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It's one of the cheapest ones I've seen, and our landlord is delightful. So I think we lucked out. I'm weirdly good at finding apartments with lovely
I'm
landlords.
gonna do a kitchen pan.
Well, I'm gonna pan everything later, but sure.
You're a pan.
Oh,
Oh, there's a pan because we did the dishes.
oh my god.
I hated it. Let's go.
Let's go into the last room, our bedroom. Here she is, the entryway. This is where I sit to do my makeup. On top of here. This is our closet that Mittens likes to sleep in, so we leave the door open.
Goes right in there. He's got a little pillow.
This is Mitch's dresser. Lots of dice. We haven't played D&D yet. Womp womp. And this is our bedroom. It's got an ironing board that we've used a few times, but the cats like to sit here and look out because tortoises live outside our window. And the cats like to see them.
It's also the only window we get real airflow through.
This is our bed. We brought a blanket. We don't need it at all.
It's so hot.
It's so hot. We have AC over the bed in both rooms, but we only turn it on at night because we're not in the bedroom, except at night, really, to sleep. So, it's hot. The fan helps. And I'm on campus a lot where it's very cold, but poor Mitch is here all the time.
I'll just point the fan directly at me and
Sweating.
leave it on max.
Sweating. And this is my dresser that we moved in from the other room because no one's in there. So,
We move some stuff around.
yeah, it's a great little apartment for the four of us, being our cats. Wait, come here. Under the bed cat storage. Oh, it's so hairy, it's gross.
It is gross. It's not my fault, it's their fault. It's a nice little hammock. That is grosser than I thought. But we don't see it, it's under the bed.
Or it's under the cat. So that was our apartment in Grenada. Once again, I'm attending SGU, so, you know, I'll have some more content hopefully coming about what it's been like to move here and, you know, class stuff, etc., etc. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more school Grenada vet school content. Bye!